Hey gang, what's up? Chris here, Real Window Creative. Today we're going to show you how to put this up, a lumber shelf, so you don't have to be stumbling over your lumber or trying to lean it up against the wall, having it fall down and break stuff, or hit your dog in the head, or whatever. I love it, and I'll show you how to do it right now. Here we go. All right, I've already gotten started here. We have to do these one at a time. This is a little stopper for the arms. One screw goes in, one arm goes on, just like that. It's kind of weird those stay loose. I guess they tighten up when I put it against the wall. I hope you're not like me, leave this stuff laying around I don't put it together right away, but I like to take it out of the box, and then invariably the screws get lost or mixed up with another item. I can't seem to stop doing it. I'll keep trying. I'll keep on trying. Little Trace Adkins there. Okay, that's number one. Let's lay him over here. Hit number two. Got my trusty hound down here, Lucky. Hi, buddy. Off camera. I don't have my headset cam on right now. It is charging. Otherwise, I'd say hello. But I'll give him a pet. Give him a head pat anyway. Hi, buddy. Such a good boy. The barndominium's coming along nicely, and I'll be showing you that soon. We're going to do a solar project probably tonight, as well as this. Knock out 2 videos today. I'll show you guys how I'm saving money with portable solar panels and Jackery batteries. Okay, rack number 2. Those are put together, so we'll head on over to the wall. Track. I'm not gonna make this the easiest thing in the world, but we'll figure it out. I can also see where I filled a hole, so that's the line right there. So I'm just going to get one end, one nice long screw. See if we hit it. Just going to take it out. What can I say? Oops, I forgot one thing. They gave us some little grommets. Oh. we go. Got the head cam hooked back up. Broke out the stud finder. And it says there's one there. I don't know how we're missing it. But I'm going to pull this thing back down. We're going to go at it again. Critical that we're in the stud deep for the weight this thing's going to have on it. That's where we were. Yeah, we're just missing it by a hair, I think. Okay, so we're going to go over just right to here, see what happens. There's probably a crossing stud right there. Should be. Don't want this to be too high. I think we definitely got in there. All right. Got to be careful here. This garage door support rail could bounce me off of here. Oh, we need one more thing. Okay, baby, what's the hold up? Come on. My brand new Hyper Tough level. Oh. That looks good. I don't know what's wrong with this picture. I don't have enough light. Okay, we're in. I'm probably going to have to get a different ladder. We're going to go tiptoes. I don't think I'm going to make it. No, I'm not going to try that. Okay. Let's see. What can we do here? We just need a little bit, so I'm gonna get creative. And grab one of these guys. Except it's probably gonna make my ladder a little heavy. Oh well. Come on, Lucky. Lucky's found a way to slip out of my temporary fence we have up. So he can go number 2. He does not like to go in the yard. Oh, that's helpful. That's not. Anxious to get this up because we got more wood coming. Quite the right. Okay, one stanchion up. Whoa! Try to bring my drill down. All right, this one I can clearly see spackling where the seam is. When they put up the OSB, which indicates there's a stud right there. And the stud finder verifies that. So, we're in business. Oh, I forgot we dropped a screw pad. Have to get down there and get that. Okay, we got one more issue here, and that is the height. Okay, so I've got that right on the seam, so that'll make that easy. This is the right side. So I've got the other one screwed in right on the seam, so that should match the height right there. That is definitely a stud. Okay, good, good. And an extra bonus, these things were advertised as orange bars, but they're gray, which I'm liking because matches the decor. Color scheme, it's always nice. Sometimes an unplanned bonus. I can't always plan things perfectly. And items are not always available in the colors I want either. That guy's going a little crooked. What's up with that? That guy doesn't really feel like he hit a stud. Another option, I could add a strap to this, strap it down a little more, which I may do. Last thing I want is lumber crashing down on me. That should have been put in before. Okay. Or I could just drill holes here and add some bolts, which I may do as well. All right, there he is. We can just add our first piece of wood right now. Look at that. Oh. All right. There you have it. Wood storage support. I love it. I love it. I'm going to go ahead and fill that up right now. All right, gang, there it is. Little wood storage support for your garage. Highly recommended. Get that stuff up off the floor. And I just wanted to show you here, I've got a little light here, and it's running off of the Jackery 500 Explorer. And we're going to talk about that in another video. All right, as always, everything I used for this video will be linked down below if you want to pick something up for yourself. And remember to like and subscribe. We're doing a lot of projects around the barn door here, getting ready to move in. And I'm going to share them all with you. Okay? Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.